In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create and monitor revenue goals in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to access the goals by going over here into the reporting, and from in there, you can click on your dashboards or reports. Now you just need to create a dashboard right here. So for this case, let's choose right here this website visit and engagement. Now click on next and choose right here the who can access this dashboard and create it. Now, once the dashboard has been created, you should be able to find and click on this go to your dashboard to see it. So with this, you can have or you can actually add filters or advanced filters. So if you already have some data, it will show you right here all your actual real-time progress for all of your set goals. You can head over to the reports to find a deal-based report based on this. You can click on reporting and click on reports in order to actually create or share this. You can also manage this dashboard by clicking on share, copying this URL or emailing this dashboard to people. You can hover over to the contributor names in the goals dashboard to see more details and edit the goals. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.